Isang panalo na lang, masusungkit na ng TNT ang kampyonado matapos nilang talunin ang Ginebra kagabi sa tambak score na 99-72. 16 points kay RHJ, 16 points naman kay R. Pugoy, habang 15 kay Calvin Oftana. Sa Ginebra, tig 13 points sina Tenorio at Scottie Thompson, habang 8 points lang ang naitala ni Justin Brownlee sa Game 5. Grabe yung struggle ng husto ni Brownlee, mga idol. 3 out of 13 mula sa field. Masyadong maalat si Brownlee sa Game 5. Daw nalimitahan nila si Rondae Hollis Jefferson, pero inalat naman ang Ginebra. Ganito nangyari noong huling paghaharap nila na kung saan ay umabot lang sa Game 6 ang Ginebra. Ang hirap lang kasi dito sa Barangay Ginebra, mga idol, ay wala silang legit power forward, kaya hindi makakaikot si Brownlee sa 3 at 4. Malaking butas sa Ginebra ang pagkawala ni Sistan. Di tulad ng TNT, may Poy Aram sila sa sentro tapos samahan pa ng Kelly Williams sa power forward. Kaya malayang makaikot si Rondae Hollis Jefferson kahit saang posisyon. Samantala, speaking of Rondae Hollis Jefferson, mga idol, ay may mga balitang kumalat na nakakatanggap umano si Jefferson sa talk and text ng $70,000 per month. Ito ay ayon mismo sa Twitter post ni Sir Homer Sison, na kung i-convert natin sa peso ay aabot ito sa more or less 4 million pesos per month. Well, deserve naman to ni Jefferson, mga idol, dahil best import of the conference pa nga ito. At napagkampiyon niya ang TNT last Governor's Cup. Tapos nadala pa niya sa finals ang TNT ngayon. At sila na ang may malaking chance na magkampiyon ngayon. Ito siguro ang dahilan kung bakit nagdemand ng malaking halaga si Mikey Williams noon, dahil nasilip siguro nito na masyadong malaki ang ibinigay kay Jefferson kaysa sa kanya. Lalo pa at pareho silang galing sa Amerika.
First of all, we just had to keep our heads around us and not panic. When Ginebra won Game 4, we said, I told you guys, some of you interviewed me after Game 4, and I said, before the series, if you tell me after 4 games that it was 2-all, then I'd be okay with that result, I'd be happy. So I think that was the most important thing. For us not to panic and keep our heads around us so that we could make good decisions. And I think that's number one. And then number two was just our focus on our strength, which has been our strength the whole tournament long, and that was our defense. And I said, let's go back to what got us here, and that is just playing great defense. And very fortunately, the players responded. I thought Kelly and Ray gave us a huge lift, starting the game for us. That's I think that was the key for us in this game, starting the game with that defense.
Coach, you already mentioned